Hey there, if suddenly your JBL Flip 7 Bluetooth speaker kind of starts blinking this white LED when it's plugged into a charger, and along with that it's playing this beeping sound, well, don't worry. Let's go ahead and see how to fix this problem. This basically happens if there is moisture or water either in the charging port of your Flip 7 or into the charger itself. So first what you can do, immediately plug it out. And then our next target is to dry this port with whatever you got. It could be a clean piece of cloth, a dust blower, a brush, a Q-tip, whatever that is available to you. You can just go ahead, do the same if you suspect there could be water in your charger. Now to quickly dry it out, you can get some silica gel inside a Ziploc, put the speaker inside and simply lock the package and then just go ahead and leave it for an hour. Now in our case, it was still showing this light with this weird noise. So if it's the same for you and if a spare Type-C cable is available to you, just grab it and charge your Flip 7 with that. And see if now your problem is solved. Now sometimes even if the charging port doesn't have any water, you might get this beeping sound for some minor glitch. So in that case, just go ahead, give your Flip 7 a simple reset. Make sure it's turned on and hold down this plus and this play button for a couple of seconds. Your speaker will turn off, means the reset is complete. And if there is no hardware issue, your blinking white with a beeping sound will be solved next time you plug it into a charger. Thanks for watching.